Okay, you may begin.
Today's extreme weather is becoming more frequent, intense, and widespread. For example, the floods, droughts, storms, and wildfires. So many ask, what's wrong with the weather? Well, this is because of the global warming caused by carbon dioxide or CO2 emissions. So each year, human beings add 30 billion tons CO2 in the atmosphere. Some of this stays in the air, the rest is absorbed by trees or plants. When the plants take up more CO2, they grow bigger leaves and roots, and they make more carbon compounds or sugar. So this means the soil bacteria would have more carbon input from the plants under global warming. But do these soil bacteria release more or less CO2 to the atmosphere given more sugar? This question is important because given the huge amount of carbon stock in the soil, the 2,300 billion tons, even small changes in the soil bacteria activities would have a large impact on global warming. By current knowledge, however, we don't have the answer yet, because the soil bacteria community is always considered as a black box. For 1 single gram soil has up to 50,000 species and 40 million bacteria cells. And most of these bacteria cannot be isolated and cultured in the lab. My research strives to open the black box and identify the functions of specific soil bacteria species using culture-independent technology. Firstly, we incubate the soil in the lab in small cups and add sugar to mimic the increased carbon input from plants under global warming. Then we label the soil bacteria with the heavy carbon and oxygen isotopes. And finally, we extract the soil DNA and sequence them after incubation. With these technologies, we are able to tell which soil bacteria species are modulating the soil CO2 emissions, which finally would modulate global warming. My research can help predict the future climate change, especially the one we are concerned with. What kind of weather is coming? Thank you.